we're just making some pens here now. What? Well, how are you now? Well, we had a busy day of picking up animals. We went down to Fetis's today out at DKF in Gladmar. If you guys are looking for a bull, come here first. Just kidding, Scott. And then go down to his place. Anyway, went down there. We picked up 3 animals today, purebred Angus cattle. We got 1 black and 2 reds. So we're gonna add those to our groups. And we made a deal. We're gonna build some shit for them here, so that's pretty good. Kind of like a trade-off, so I like that. Anyways, we're gonna build a safe chute for the bulls. If you don't know what that is, I guess you're gonna find out. So it's about 6 o'clock here now. Already dark because it's shitty, but whatever, it is what it is. Anyway, I'm gonna grab some drill stem here out of the stack. There's not a whole lot left. I think I got about 2 bundles of 2 3/8. So that should be good for this job. And he wants a double bale feeder, so we're gonna build one of them too. So that'll be pretty mint. Anyway, I'll get some drill stem here loaded up and into the shop, and we'll start cutting some steel. Bring you back in a bit there, folks. Okay, boys, I got a hell of a mess in chair. Anyway, I'm gonna show you what I got started here. I've got 2 side walls with a 3-foot opening, and then this piece will get closed off with bars every foot. So there'll be 5 bars in here, including the top. 6 with the how was that now? There'll be 7 bars in this one with the bottom. So there'll be a 3-foot opening there for the bulls to come in, and then this piece here will get flipped around so that when this makes a square, or a rectangle, I guess it's 6 by 8, so we're 6 feet that way and we're going to come out 8 feet this way. So what I'm doing now is I got my 8 feet cut here, so I got to saddle cut those so that it's easier for me to put them in the bottom. So what I'm going to do is come up a foot off the bottom, off each side, like that, and then up there and up there, and then you probably don't know what I'm talking about, but anyways, so these pieces right here, there's 2 of them. They got a 3-foot opening and then like 28 3/4 or something like that for the side. So this is what those will look like, something like that. Now the side view is going to be something like this. So that'll get all filled in with drill stem. So, like I said, I'm in the midst of cutting. I need to cut 2 at 91 1/4, because 2 3/8 and 2 3/8 is 4 3/4. So add those on, then you got a total of 8 feet. And those will be both saddle cut there and there. And like I said, I'm gonna bring those up about a foot off the bottom, and then that'll make the square. Then when I get to the top, I think I'm gonna just press the ends for in here. 1 there, 1 there, and then those will be every foot down. Okay, got it? Good. This up here, all this is up here is just a lift bar. So basically you come in with your tractor and grapple and grab the bar that goes up top. So this is 1 wall and that's 1 wall. So that gets stood up and this gets stood up over here. Then that bar gets dropped into the saddle cut tops like that and like that. And then we'll weld that up. Also, I gotta put 1 bar across these 2 here, straight out this way. So I think here I'll be able to press it. I shouldn't have any trouble welding that. And then I can fill in those saddles. So right now, I got all the bottom welded and the tops are welded right now. So, yeah, that's what I got so far. So right now I'm just gonna start working on getting these cut. I gotta get 2 of these cut up, and those will be cut with the old plasma cutter. And then, like I say, those will get stuck in the bottom and should be good to go. So I'll bring you back when I get that done, I guess. It's a freaking plasma cutter, sure, a smoky bastard. Woo! Anyway, I'll bring you back in a few. Zoom out with my phone, they said. Alright guys, how are you this evening here? Okay, so here's what I got so far with the old ride box. So we're 6 feet high, 8 feet long, and 6 feet wide. So we're just getting these crossbars put in. These are every foot. So I got 1, 2 more to put in here. 1, 2 there, and then this side's done. And then I got to put 5 more in on this side. And I hope I got enough steel here. I got that one, and that one's already cut. And then I gotta cut a lift bar that goes across the top from that pipe to this pipe. And when I get this side in, I gotta finish up the saddle cut here, get that welded up, and then we're good to go. And then you'll kind of see a little bit more of how this looks. I had a hell of a time getting this piece mated up with this piece, because I had just these bottom 2, that one and that one, and then I stuck that center bar in. And but what I did is I had it flipped up this way, so this piece was actually on the ground. And then I picked this piece up with the tractor and a ratchet strap because it was tipping from the short side. And we ended up getting up. So here's what we did. We got a 3-foot gate here, or opening, and you go straight through here, and then they can exit out here. So what else I'm going to put on here yet is if I can find them. Now that's the next thing. I got to get somebody that works in Regina or something. Maybe you can give me a contact or something. I need to find some brooms from street sweepers, because I want to put brushes on here. So I'm going to put one on this side and one on that side. Yeah. So basically it's a box, a heavy steel box. And what it does is it's a, what do you call it, a ride box, I guess. You throw this in with your pen of bulls, and they're just like horny little teenagers trying to hump each other. And the one that's getting humped the most, he gets to go in here and knocks his buddy off the top. So basically he can hide in there, I guess. And if they're in here, if there's 2 of them in there, they can't mount each other because of the bar on top. So that's what this is made for. So anyways, I got 2 more there, and I'll get those put in on there, and then I'll come back to this side. I might do that tomorrow yet, I don't know, we'll see how things go. But I got to cut some pipe here yet anyway, so maybe what I'll do for the top one is I'll use up that chunk there with whatever I got left. Also, this needs to be closed off in here yet with some short ones, 29 and 5/8 I believe, for into this section here, and then this section here. So that's only in here, out there. All right, get what I'm doing now a little bit. Okay, good. Anyway, I gotta put my tunes back on and keep on giving her. Talk to you in a few. Fuck, is she smoky in here, you old hair lips. Woo! Lightning, check out my asshole. Fucking cat. Anyway, I got 3 pieces. You can't really tell because it's blending into the old back there. I got to cut 5 pieces for this little section here yet, and then fill this in. I'm out of pipe. Lots of cats, but I'm out of pipe. So you can kind of see what it's turning into now. So I got 3 there, put those on. I had little pieces what I had left over, and I need 2 more there and 5 there. So that's pretty much all I need for pipe yet. I gotta cut that guy at 8-footer, and then I'll just lift that fucker up there with the tractor, set it in the saddles and weld it up. It should be good to go. And after that, like I said, with those brushes, I gotta bring some, I'm not sure what to do there yet, but I gotta mount it on there if I can find any brushes. Street sweeper brushes or car wash brushes, either way. Like I said, if you guys know of any place a guy can find some, give me some contacts, because I need to mount those on either end of this son of a bitch. But I think she's gonna be pretty king by the time I'm done. So there it is. So far so good. I think you get the picture now, hey? You can see where that is, like that. That side will be exactly like this, but the entrance is on the opposite side. So they got to come in and cross underneath that bar to get out this side. If it was a straight shoot, they might have been able to ride each other in there. So it's a bull buck and shoot. Nice. Anyway, fuck it. Good enough for tonight. I'm gonna shut her down. I gotta bring another length of pipe up tomorrow. Cut that 8-footer, cut these short pieces, and yeah, should be good to go. So, oh boy, getting tired anyway. We'll talk to you in the morning. Well, that's kind of nice. Hasn't blown in the bush yet. So much snow we got, probably 4 inches. Nice, pretty good. Take that all day. Anyway, just gonna go turn the heat up in the shop and start the tractor. I gotta bring one more piece of pipe in, and I hope that'll be enough. I should be close, but anyways, I'll bring you back in a bit. Gotta change a couple tags in those new cows we bought. I haven't showed you yet. They still got their sale tags in. Well, 2 of them do. The other ones we just bought private from the fetuses there. So anyway, brought that bunk feeder up, and I'm gonna put that in the alleyway where those cows are gonna go, and then I can feed them in there because I don't have a feed front done yet. So that'll be good. I'll get this ride box done, and then I'm gonna start working on some of our own stuff here. So anyways, I'll bring you back in a few. You guys heard of a snow bucket? What about a snow box? 24 feet, baby. Whoops. Push her through there, push her through there. Works pretty good. Just idling. Mint. Till I hit a rock. Anyway, I gotta watch what I'm doing here. I'll bring you back in a bit. There we go, folks. Just like that, she be done. So, let me explain to you how this works. So if you got a bunch of yearling bulls and springtime has come and everybody gets excited and they start riding each other, one guy usually gets picked on. So what he can do is come in here. There's got to be brushes on here. They'll come out like this, and then they can scratch and rub on there or whatever. Both sides, I'll put them on. Anyway, back to the story. If they're getting ridden, they can come in here and knock the other guy off the top. And if they're in here, it's kind of like a safe pen. And they can't mount in here because that bar's in there. There's lots of place for them to get knocked off. So all that pieces up top is just a lift bar. That's all that's for. Just go in with your grapple and you can lift it like that. I mean, you could go in there too with a double bale spear, whatever, but that's what is on there. So that's what she looks like. She's all finished up. I brought in another piece of drill stem, and there we go. So that's it. So like I said, if any of you guys know of a place I can get some sweeper brooms off street sweepers, department of highways, stuff like that, whatever, let me know in the comments and I can get in touch with these guys. But yeah, anyway, that didn't take too long. A little better than, well, I'd say 3/4 of a day if I would have actually worked solid on it. I could have got it done in one day, but anyways, whatever. Not a big deal. Shit happens. So yeah, that's it for this video. The next one, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do in the next one. Might be putting up the coverall shed, or I got to build a double bale feeder for the same guy. And yeah, I don't know, that, or I want to build some feed fronts. I got to build some gates for the feedlot yet. We got another 10 cows coming home here. I haven't showed you those other 3 yet, but maybe I'll stick it in on this video. We'll see what happens. I got them in the chute pen right now, so I might bring you back later, and if not, I guess that's it. So thanks for watching. Tell me what you think of this cool deal here. And like I said, if you have any information on street sweeper brooms, let me know in the comments, because I greatly appreciate it. I need to find 2. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Maybe I might bring you back. Well, we'll see what happens. Talk to you in a few. Little bonus footage for you. These are the 3 new ones we just got. I had them in the chute pen, so they're thirsty. We got 2 reds and a black one here. So if they'd stop drinking, they would. We could see them a little bit better. This 1A, she's the black one here. She's a little bit older cow, but still pretty king. Wanted to get her last year, but didn't quite work out. So anyway, we bought these 2 from the oh fucking god dang it, the 2 red ones we got from the Touch of Class sale in Saskatoon, and the black one we got from right from the DKF ranch. All these cows came from there, but we picked her up right from the farm. Actually, we picked all 3 up from the farm when Scott and Tina and the Fettuses, they took them up to the sale, hauled them up there, we bought them, and then they just brought them back home because we were going to pick up this one anyways. So worked out pretty good. There's old Big Mamba. Oh, she's a tank. And there's Dom. Should have put some Christmas lights on them. Anyway, guys, I got a bale good enough till I get home from hockey, and we'll get some bedding down for those guys when I get back, and that'll be it for tonight. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, fellers and ladies, with the stickers there, what we're gonna do, we'll figure this out in the new year, but I think what we'll do is I'll give you the mailing information, and if you guys want to mail us the money, like $20 a sticker, and then what I'll do is I'll take your names down, and then I can mail you a sticker back, if that works for everybody. Like to Australia and shit like that, UK, I don't know what shipping is going to cost. I haven't even looked into that. I haven't really had time, but I'm assuming it's probably going to be like $30 probably shipping, so I don't know. It's not really worth it for me to ship stickers down there. But anyways, I will figure that out and get back to you probably in the next couple videos or something, but we won't be doing nothing until the new year. So anyway, guys, it's supposed to get hot and fucking freezing rain and crap, so that's kind of shitty. But anyway, talk to you in the next one.